Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in honor of the World Cup, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw a cartoon version of the World Cup trophy. So, hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our cartoon version of the World Cup trophy, let's begin with the circle or the world on top. So, I'm going to start right here and let's just begin by making a nice big curve shape that's just going to kind of go up and then come back down. Now, starting here, we're going to make a little circle. It's kind of like the head of a person. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up here. And then we're going to make a line that's going to curve up here, and it's going to come back around. We'll curve this line over to here. Next, we're going to bring this line kind of down and up. And then we're going to make a little curve here. Next, we're going to leave some space, and we're going to make this line kind of curve down. And we're going to make this line kind of come out and then bend like this. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve into here. I'm going to draw this line with a curve in, and then another line like this. We're going to make this line come down. Then we're going to bring this line out, and then this line out. We're going to come down, we're going to curve this across, and then connect it to here. We're going to make a curved line across here. Then we're going to do 1 and 2 curved lines here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come out and then down. Then I'm going to make some kind of wiggly little shapes on here, just to kind of give the idea of like the continents. We'll put one up here, and then we'll put like another kind of wiggly one right over here. Then I like to add a couple little lines in here, just to kind of make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. And we can just put a few little lines right around there. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon version of the World Cup. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.